Hello everyone and welcome back. In our last video, we explored how to prevent users from selecting past states using an on-change client script. Today, we are going to take it a step further by demonstrating how to prevent from submission if the word password appear in either the short description or description fields. To accomplish this, we will use an onSubmit client script, which is one of the four types of client scripts available in ServiceNow. Let's navigate to the client script. In the filter navigator, type client script. Under the system definition module, select client scripts, click on new, set the name to prevent submission. And the table is incident and select the UI type is all and the type is on submit. Let's write the script. Function on submit off defines the function that will run when user attempts to submit the form, such as clicking save or update, where short description equal to g underscore form dot get value of short description dot to lowercase. This line will retrieve the current value of the short description field and it converts it into lowercase to ensure the check is in case sensitive, and it stores the result in the short description variable. Next one is where description equal to g underscore form dot get value of description dot to lowercase. This line will also does the same for the description field, stores the lowercase version in the description variable. Now, if short description dot includes the password or description dot includes a password, this condition will check if either field contains the word password. The dot includes method looks for the specified word inside each string. Then alert of the word password cannot be included in the short description or description. If the condition is true, the user sees a pop-up alert notifying them that the word password is not allowed. Then return false. In onSubmit scripts, returning false block the submission of the form. Return true. If neither field contains the word password, the form is allowed to submit normally. The whole thing here is the onSubmit client script ensures that users do not accidentally enter the word password in sensitive text fields like short description or description. If they do, That script provides a warning and prevents from submission until the issue is corrected. Let's submit the script. Let's test the script. Open the incident application. On the incident model, click on create new. Select the channel as email and color someone else, Amy Bandiger. And subcategory is also email. And enter the short description as I have password issue daily. Under that description as this is the issue I'm getting daily. Let's try to submit the form. Click on submit. You should see an alert and the form will not submit because the word password is present. That's it. We have now successfully created a client-side validation using an onSubmit script to block sensitive keywords. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more ServiceNow tips and tricks.